Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name's Kristen and I'd love to have you a part of the family, so make sure you hit that red subscribe button right down below. Today is going to be a what's in my hospital bag. I am trying to film these like as great or as well as I can. I'm just gonna go through quickly what's in my hospital bag. Alrighty, so this is my hospital bag. It's just a black like duffel weekender kind of bag, and it has like kind of like gold detailing. You can see that it's like the zipper's gold and it has like a quilted material up here. So one thing that I do have is hand sanitizer. I pretty much have hand sanitizer on everything, so just so you guys know, that's kind of how I roll. But this bag is like ginormous and it's really cute. So the first thing in my bag is actually this. It says happy birthday. I got this from Forever 21, and the reason why I have this is because I have a scheduled C-section on my birthday actually. So she's gonna be born on my birthday. So I plan on taking a picture with this on. The next item is this here. It's just a little cute wallet. It's gold, so it kind of goes with the black and gold theme of my bag, even if that like even matters or anything. But this just has my like hospital information, my ID, and my insurance card, like all that stuff that you'll need. And then I have my glasses case because I don't know if I'll need to take off my contacts, and then I have contacts in here. You know, can never be too careful. And then I have this. This is full of like toiletries and stuff like that. Again, if you know me or my channel or seen any of my baby series, Odette's theme is like swans. So I saw this, and or actually my mom saw this, and so she got it for me. She's so sweet. So yeah, we've been finding like a lot of things that have swans on it and stuff, so it's super cute. And then in here, or actually in here, I have more like electronic kind of stuff, I guess. So I have this ring light. I know I'm too extra or something, I don't know. Ring light, a charger. I have like little hand wipes for Annabelle, Tums, extra hand sanitizer, hair ties, perfume, just like stuff like that. Some of the stuff is also packed in here for like my daughter or my husband if he's gonna need anything. This is another bag I have inside. This is the one that's full of toiletries and stuff like that. It's really cute. It has like lips all over it. I used to use it as a makeup bag, but I had to get a bigger one because I used way too much makeup. But this is gonna have like toothbrushes for me and my husband, body wash, deodorant, shampoo, conditioner, eye drops, mouthwash, toothpaste, contact solution. So it's just gonna pretty much have everything that you're gonna need if you were like staying a night in a hotel or something like that. So that's pretty much what's in here. And I believe I got this from Forever 21 kind of a long time ago, so maybe it's still there. And then I have one of my favorite body lotions. This just makes me like feel like at home and calm. I pretty much take this wherever I go, even if we go on vacations and stuff like that. So this is coming with me as well. I also have these flip-flops. They're just Calvin Klein. I took these to the beach with me, so these are just gonna be good shower shoes. So yeah, flip-flops for the win. I'm also bringing along these super cute slippers. These are from Victoria's Secret, and they are so cute. These are so cute. They have like a little fuzzy on them, and they're super comfortable, super cute, and yeah, I just want to make sure I feel cute still, you know what I'm saying? Still want to have my confidence and feel like me when I get there. So, and then I have also one more bag. This bag is so cute. It's actually a MAC Cosmetics bag I got for Christmas. Here it just has like, I guess, nipple pads and stuff like that. So like, you know, girly stuff that you're gonna need at the hospital afterwards. This is my binder for all the paperwork that I need to take into the hospital and then also bring out of the hospital. So I have this. It's really cute. I just kind of picked something up. I think I've had this binder for a while, but it works. It's like a smaller, thinner binder, so I recommend having a binder or folder or something like that because you are given quite a bit of paperwork. So I like having this and staying super organized so I don't forget anything or anything like that. So this blanket is also from Victoria's Secret. and it's super soft and comfy. I recommend bringing stuff from like your house or something, like a pillow or a blanket, stuff like that, just to make you feel a little bit more homey, because the hospital is like not really somewhere that is like super comfortable or homey or where you like to stay. So definitely bringing stuff like this, comfort items, especially for your little one and stuff, if you have another baby coming with you, would be like my recommendation, is bringing stuff that make you feel comfortable and at home. I'm also bringing a robe. I got this from Ulta like a long time ago for I think Christmas last year or something like that. It's super soft. It's just like a cottony, comfy, fluffy robe. So again, bringing comfort items and stuff like robes like this kind of help, because then you kind of feel like more like yourself. Definitely bringing a robe would probably be the best idea. And then I also have packed 2 pairs of like pajamas, and then a home outfit. Super loose fitting clothing is like probably the best, at least in my experience. I liked wearing really like loose fitting clothing and pajamas and stuff like that. So it's just like a button up, and then I would recommend doing like a button up. So I think this was from Adore Me, I think. So it's just like a cute little black and white set, and then it comes with matching pants, and it buttons up. So that would be great if you were planning on breastfeeding. Having something that unbuttons and buttons back up or anything like that would really help, because you wouldn't have to be like pulling up your shirts and everything like that. So you would just be able to get the job done with this. And then I got this as well, I think from just a maternity store. I'm not really sure where I got this, but it's a long sleeve gray half button up shirt. Again, really like anything that like unbuttons or buttons is probably going to be best if you do plan on breastfeeding. So, but they're super cottony, like stretchy, loose fitting clothing. I know kind of what I'm in for, because I did schedule a C-section, so it just is all gonna kind of depend. And then I have a home outfit, which is just leggings and a black t-shirt. So super simple stuff. I don't really plan on like getting dressed up or anything like that. You want to be comfortable, especially having a C-section. That's a whole nother story. I think that's about it as far as what I'm bringing, except for like a couple other like girly things. But I think that's about it. I am not going to pack any makeup. I don't feel like I would ever want to even worry about that. If you do, that's like totally okay, but even for me, I know that I'm probably going to be in some pain and have to really like try to focus on like rehabilitating myself so I can be a good mom to my newborn baby. So makeup I'm not going to bring. I bought some skincare stuff and like face wash and moisturizers and stuff like that, but other than that, I'm kind of like more cut and dry with the things that I brought. I feel like another like tip, I guess, is I'm actually going to leave like all my jewelry and stuff at home. Like any like high valuable things, you probably want to just leave it at home, just because there's so much going on. There's so many people in and out, nurses like changing like shifts and stuff like that, that you probably just want to leave that stuff at home. Of course you want to bring your phone and a charger and stuff like that, but other than that, I'm going to pretty much leave everything at home. Again, my situation is a little bit different. I'm not going to be going into labor like on my own. I'm scheduling a C-section, and my situation is a little bit different. I go in with no makeup. I'm not supposed to wear any jewelry. I have my hair tied up. Like they give me a whole list to do before I go in. So kinda my situation is a little bit different. I think that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. If I forgot anything, definitely leave me a comment down below in the comment section, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. I will see you in my next video. Bye! Hey,